Can you drive in two directions at the same time? You're physically moving forwards, but if you're only watching what's happening ahead, you're missing half of the information that could keep you safe. Here's what most learner drivers don't think about.
Right, so what we've got to always understand when we're looking at mirrors is it's about being up to speed with the information around you. Yes. And the examiner will be able to analyze the way you collect that information and how you use that information. Because the most important thing about driving is information around what's coming forwards towards you and what's coming from behind. Okay, so can you drive in two directions at once? Yes, we are driving in two directions at once. And the reason I say that is because it's for people to realize that when you're driving forward, you are driving to avoid obstacles that are coming towards you from the front. But because you are not going to be the fastest person on the road, there are going to be people coming from behind or traffic coming from behind as well. And you've got to keep an eye on what's happening directly behind you and also what's happening on people who can potentially overtake you from your sides, like motorcyclists and guys on bicycles and scooters and things like that. Because there's variation in speed often as you're driving. And there's always somebody who's going to be dangerous and irresponsible when they're overtaking you. See it on the roads all the time. And if you're not keeping up to what's coming from behind, you can make a serious mistake. Because I'll never forget this. Once I was actually driving down the road and there was a bus lane on my left-hand side. And I needed to turn left across the bus lane. And I have this habit, and I've taught myself this habit, is before I will cross left or turn left, I will look in my left-hand mirror. I'm not just doing center mirror, left-hand mirror, left signal. My signal is already on. There's a bus lane there. I have checked it. Nothing is coming. And I'm taking the next junction on the left. And I looked in that left-hand mirror as I was about to turn. And there was a Mercedes-Benz coming down that bus lane, in the bus lane, I think at about 100 miles per hour. And luckily, I hit the brake. If I hadn't looked in that mirror, he would have killed me. I would have been dead as a doornail. End of story. Story over. I wouldn't even have been here to teach you guys. There's no doubt in my mind about that. Because I was in a small little car. I was in obviously a teaching car at the time. And this guy was in his big 450 Mercedes. And he was gunning down that bus lane at such a high speed, which I needed to cross. He would have taken me out, and I don't know how many other people would have been involved in that accident. And you just cannot believe the stupidity of people. That's not a place to do it. And the traffic was slow. We were all bunched up together. It wasn't as if we were doing 30 or 40 miles per hour down the road. This was in the middle of Bloomin' Ilford. And here this guy with his big black Mercedes-Benz was gunning down this bus lane to try and overtake all the traffic in the main road. Unbelievable. He would have killed me. Know what's coming from behind. There's always idiots out there. You have to be aware of the idiot. And I always say to people, normally an accident is two people making a mistake. Two drivers normally need to make a mistake for an accident. Obviously, there are accidents where you yourself or a single driver is making a mistake. But you can always excuse yourself and say that was a close call. Well, the close calls aren't good enough. You've got to be better than the close calls. There must never be close calls. Let's get rid of that.
You've just seen why mirror awareness is about much more than simply looking behind you. But this is only the awareness part of the lesson. Inside the Complete Mirror Mastery webinar in LDriv Academy, we go step by step through how to build a 360-degree awareness, how your mirrors work together, what information you should be collecting, how that information affects your decisions, and the real-world situations where poor mirror awareness can become dangerous. Watch the complete webinar inside LDriv Academy. The link is below.